Hey guys, it's Melanie. I'm back here today with Jeannie from Robert Weed Corporation. So can you tell me, what is Robert Weed Corporation?
So Robert Weed is a value-added manufacturer and a distributor of wood products. They originally started out in 1966 just as a distributor, and they've grown over the years into adding to their portfolio of different manufactured items.
And what do you specifically do there?
So I'm a continuous improvement engineer, and I work with anyone throughout our entire company to improve processes. Anything, the way we say it is, we fix what bugs them.
So at Robert Weed, I'm the HR project manager, and I have a lot of responsibilities from employee engagement to the benefits. I sometimes help with recruiting, doing interviews, new hire orientation.
Right now I'm a cycle counter, which means that I have to go to our customer warehouse to make report of their inventory. And that way we can order more parts, all that they need, and I have to create the orders, go to the office and put it in the system.
What would you say are some of the things that you notice Robert Weed typically is looking for when it comes to hiring?
Definitely someone who's going to be reliable, who can be there every day, and be willing to learn. That's a big thing. You got to be willing to learn. There's a lot of opportunity at Robert Weed. A lot of our people have actually come from the floor and have grown up into supervisor positions, moved into different departments, from production into, let's say, IT or into customer service, sales even.
Okay.
So, yeah.
So it sounds like there's a lot of opportunities for growth then at Robert Weed.
Absolutely.
What's something you would tell students as far as this is what you should be doing now to prepare for jobs?
Get set in with math, know the basics of it. Reading, writing, it all seems arbitrary when you're that young,
Right.
but you will use it all eventually.
Yeah.
I found that out very quick.
What would you say are some challenges you've noticed so far that you've had to overcome?
Well, challenges to me, because I'm not from here, I'm from Venezuela. In my language, my maternal language is Spanish. So the most challenging part is to show all my skills that I have in another language that is the English. But Robert Weed have helping me with that,
Right.
giving me the opportunity to grow up here in United States.
How would you explain an entry-level position? Like, what does that look like?
So an entry-level position would be what we consider a production tech. And there's a
Okay.
couple of different levels. So when someone would start, there's a couple of positions like stacking or packaging that they would come into.
What would you say is one of your favorite things about working at Robert Weed?
It's a very family-oriented company. You're not just an employee. You know what I'm saying? You're
Right,
a
yeah, yeah.
family, very close-knit with all the employees there. Yes, I do work in the office, but I know a great deal of the employees on the floor as I work with them all the time.